We have to start check the alcohol we are serve at the party them with Alkaline and perform. Something in them alcohol there. Alkaline, you approve a pint, you know. I don't know where you approve, but you approve something Alkaline. Alkaline, how you deal with Dream Weekend, so?
Jesus, this like no man.
A few moments later.
Alkaline is gearing up to be one of the best performer in dancehall.
Bumbo rascal, Jamaica, stop!
Right now, Foota Hype supposed to sit down and laugh.
Big up Alkaline, Mobby, Dream Weekend. You see me I did, the artist step out, represent, big up him fans them, make the music nice. You hear me tell you?
Hey y'all, come look at this.
My big question is, who are going to help Vybz Kartel at Reggaeland?
We need it! Help! Help! Jesus Christ of Nazareth! Psalm 46! God is our refuge and strength!
I don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
I think that about represent fully.
Go on, you don't know one Media Fox on the app. You understand, people? You don't know J Progress as a bird season. You understand? Yeah, man. So you don't know matter about Alkaline. A bagga things. You see me dance all nice. See? Yeah, man. So look at now, people. We are going in a video.
Yo! At this stage, we have to start check the alcohol we are serve at the party them with Alkaline and perform. Something in them alcohol there.
Yo, Jano, you want to say something in alcohol them. I just say, bro, I just big artist, superstar. You see me? Yeah, I just that. The people them just love the music. You see me? Them just love the music. Alkaline music just connect. You understand?
Alkaline, you approve a pint, you know. I don't know where you approve, but you approve something Alkaline. Alkaline, how you deal with Dream Weekend, so? I want to conquer. I don't know what is going on, but the fans them at the Alkaline shows them these days. They on something. One could have a jump up and go on so and be so and sing along so like a choir. Every show Alkaline do from 1 year, whether Jamaica, Antigua, Barbados, anyway.
Remember the Guyana one too. You understand? We don't see the Barclays Center one, and there's more to forward. You see me? Trinidad that wait pan with too. You see me? We have our French Guyana, one of them. You see me? A bag of show, man. It's a go shell, man. You understand? You don't know Alkaline go to work. The youth always a dominate. You see me? Yo, the youth raise the bar, man. I tell you that.
It's a choir. Oh, no, yeah. It's sad to tell you. But when Alkaline do a Dream Weekend, it take a Mavado and a Vybz Kartel to do that at a song face. Alkaline really approve a pint, you know? Them need to check the patrons them drink. Alkaline show them. Cause they are going extremely crazy, them need to calm down. Alkaline, this choir thing when we see you take up from 1 year, every show where you go and be a choir. I really a one. Alkaline mash up Dream Weekend, you know?
I tell them the man turned in a nightmare to bombard. At the nightmare weekend. I tell you. Yo, the man have an entrance there. Yo, me no know Alkaline we didn't get that the entrance come like a movie. Like the people are going on a different portal or a different matrix. It's tough, and then the countdown after that, that's sick. Sell off.
She's climate. No, sir. Me want Alkaline did say it gonna make sense soon, and imagine in a one night. Massacre fuck up Reggaeland. Alkaline fuck up Dream Weekend. Gaza fans, me know who not like this. You know, say truth be told, Alkaline is gearing up to be one of the best performer in dancehall. Because the Alkaline we me know all along, Alkaline never did a perform not even quarter to when they right now. And the way how me see Alkaline, me don't know. Me tell a man in but they don't believe, you know. He come like all this time Alkaline lock away and keep himself to himself. Alkaline a master in craft. And when me say master in craft, mean master it properly.
Well, I say it go, you know. You see me? Alkaline have a lot of things I did. You see me? Him that work on him album, him that you understand a lot of things. That's why you wouldn't know because Alkaline life private. You understand? And it does take years to master something. You understand? You can't just start and it just the first time and it just master. And Alkaline and perform on Sunfest. Him just have found out. Over the years, the youth learn to perform. You understand? I saw it go. More time you get to learn and understand. You see it. I just saw a thing of people. I just one of them thing there. You see me? Yeah, and the youth are doing thing. You see me? Alkaline just gone over a decade in his career, you know. And him first 10 year career, him a do great. That a one thing. And I reach a second decade yet.
The performance them with Alkaline a deliver right now. Right now, the only person back then we would see a move them where they would have been man. A Beanie Man used to deliver certain performance. Right now, there is not even any comparison with Vybz Kartel and Alkaline performance-wise. Alkaline already lost him million mile. To be honest, all of the top competitor them right now in a dance hall. Me don't know what happened to Alkaline for the past 3 to 4 years. But all I know, Alkaline performance, on stage performance. Remember, there is one thing to have songs and sing a lot of hit songs, but you cannot deliver them and you cannot perform them. But me don't know what really happened with Alkaline for the past few years. But Alkaline performance and power. Look on the Barclay show. Look on never go from New Rules. Look on New Rules. Then look on the Barclay show. Then look on the Caribbean tour with Antigua, Barbados and all of them places there. And look on Dream Weekend just last night.
Sell off. The youth, let me tell you this. Alkaline say something, you know, me I look out for you. The man say, yo, them not still nothing yet. Winnings are bother them stress. So the youth have something forward. Remember him say everything will make sense soon, you know. And we are see a lot of things, you know. You understand? And to a youth are going for that year, it not normal. But you don't know the industry stay already. You see me? But we are see the work, we are see the thing. The youth are dominate, me nah lie.
Alkaline need to be studied. Remember when me telling you that. Alkaline always used to say that it gonna make sense soon. It gonna make sense soon and me tell you something. It is making. Right now, Foota Hype supposed to sit down and laugh. After him baby mother, rich Spanish or rich Spaniard. You see, if you're not a social media content creator, leave social media alone. Rich Spaniard or rich Spanish, whatever you want name. Me understand say you love and rate Vybz Kartel and you want to defend him. But you have to understand say, if you just come out and come talk, you're dragging there go come to a social media go. Rich Spanish, let me say something to you. And I'm saying this to you as a female. You have a lot of deadbeat father. But you know what is worse than a deadbeat father? A mother who abandoned their kids. Not one child, not 2 child, but 3 child.
No people. Yo, you see sometime, I know say this is that go forward out, you know. Yeah man. I know this is that go forward out. You see me? And we don't know, first of all, how we know that girl I know? I went the little thing with Vybz Kartel and Foota Hype and she forward out a talk, you know. Put out Vice about $15 and bag a thing, you know. And you see, sometime when you see people in the work or certain energy, it happen for a reason. You understand? And for sister, imagine your baby mother will have your child for you. They run your enemy them. I bring you down. Me see all the girl pan one Kevin live and all of them live. All of the guys, imagine she pan all of the guys are like them. It's a campaign she depend. You understand? But when you check it and find it out, she no better. She even worse. You understand? Yeah, man.
Remember, you say you have one son for Foota Hype, one pitney, and Foota Hype now mind him. Me never hear Foota Hype son come out and come say nothing or back up what you say. But you as a mother abandoned your girls, daughters, abandon them. Normally, man abandon baby mother and this and that and the deadbeat father. But it's very rare when you hear of a woman abandon her kids.
People, at the end of the video, I'm making you hear the clip.
You realize that Spaniard, you were not the right person to come out here, come call Foota Hype a deadbeat father, even though you have a child Foota Hype. You should have left that to Aishana or somebody else. Because as a woman, if you go run, let your girl pitney them, left them on them own, left them in a home. And me, out of them 2 years, yeah, your own pitney them say is no mother at all. And they don't see you as a mother and will never ever see you as a mother. You are the worst woman that could ever be created and could be called a mother. Because you have never been a mom. That is worse than a deadbeat father. Believe when me tell you that. Yo, one thing me know in a life, you see God? God have a way to make things go right round and return back to you. You know me there and me see Foota Hype baby mother go up on live with one Kevin and I drop Foota Hype, deadbeat daddy, workless daddy, send $12, Ray, and all different kind of something.
You know, and this are the thing, you know, people. Imagine this, because at first me I see this. Imagine your enemy, somebody who you not rate, you and them not deal. You hate them, right? And imagine it so end up that your 2 baby mother them where you have, they're around that person there. You understand? Imagine people. Your 2 baby mother. How is that? Eh? How is that? Zine, especially that one here what she name Spanish something. Remember, you know, we never know about that girl, you know. Until when Vybz Kartel for Alva in prison, you know. And she and Vybz Kartel apart and she in a car back, you know. Imagine. Yo, me I tell you. Yo, me I tell you people. Sometimes I understand that the world says sometimes you just end up with the wrong set of people. Me especially having child with certain type of people, man. And one of the worst thing, man. Me I tell you. You see it? Not saying it happened to me, but me know a lot of people will go through the same thing. Virgin all want to call him life and all of them little thing there. Yeah, man. So, one of the worst thing me I tell you people. Trust me.
But suppose me tell you, say, me there back on the same TikTok and see Foota Hype baby mother, 3 kids them, come review some things. Well, I never believe. So while Foota Hype baby mother out here tear down Foota Hype with Vybz Kartel, we never know say Foota Hype baby mother run her left field pitney them a Costa Rica or Puerto Rico, something like that. Puerto Rico, Costa Rica, one of them place there. Left her 3 girl pitney them in a home, faster home, run the left them, just gone left the 2 pitney, 3 pitney them grow themselves. And live to see. Me no see Foota Hype pitney them come tear down Foota Hype on social media, you know. But
That's one of the funniest thing, you know. All she attack when never see Foota Hype pitney them say anything or what. But imagine she have must say what 3 girl or something like that on the media right now bring her down. John no people.
you see Foota Hype baby mother, we are tearing down for Vybz Kartel, pitney them come on social media, come tear down she and talk what kind of dirt of a mother she is and a workless garbage of a mother. Jesus. Yo, let me tell you something, man. You still have a dirty closet, man. We don't leave social media alone.
Watch this time, see? I want to say this. Big up the artists them in the space where they do and I make the work continuously look proper for the Jamaicans. You see me I did, I watch a pattern now, see? That thing I push forward in honorable mentions. You see me I say, watch this time. Big up Alkaline, Mobie, Dream Weekend. You see me I did, the artists step out, represent, big up
Mad thing.
them fans them, make the music nice. You hear me tell you? That I go on and what I go on the performance look good. Watch this now.
My big question is, who will help Vybz Kartel at Reggaeland? Performance-wise, we keep the crowd energized. We all know say Vybz Kartel can't perform, you know? And
Boy, J Progress, you know say the crowd there is a crowd where them just love reggae music and dancehall music. So it no matter what Kartel I do, if them know the song, them a go sing it. If them don't know it, them a go make some noise, them a go wave. Them just love the beats, them every little thing. So it now go show up certain things. That's a one thing with them crowd, bro. You see me on a like Jamaican crowd and them little thing, they are certain crowd. Is it?
a big crowd like that will really need certain level of performance. Who Vybz Kartel I go call up to help him? Massacre did a fantastic job We know that already. Vybz Kartel can't do that unless he get help.
No, Massacre, I the same thing with Massacre. To me, the same thing happen with Massacre, I same thing happen with Alkaline. Happen with Vybz Kartel. I same thing. Them crowd, you understand? Them crowd, they just love reggae, love dancehall. Them a go, if they not sing a song, them a go whole a vibe. It a go nice, it a go make nice. You understand? I saw them crowd. That a one crowd where you can't flap in.
We already know this. Let's see if Vybz Kartel are go able to manage reggae land crowd. Because it's one thing for have its song, it's one thing for people know them and can sing along, but it's another thing for move the crowd control. This is not a Beanie Man we're talking about. Or the new Alkaline where we see a step out and a dominate the place performance-wise and have choir everywhere and go. Vybz Kartel will struggle at reggae land. Remember, I don't even know how long him have to perform on stage, but Vybz Kartel first 10 minutes on stage will be ignited.
So yeah, people are today that are go on. You see me? Yeah, today that are go on.
Because the excitement has seen him and everything. But when him get into him set, Vybz Kartel will struggle. Knowing Vybz Kartel, he must have somebody lined up to help him already with the crowd in terms of another popular artist or something. But I am certain Vybz Kartel can't manage regular crowd, keep them entertained by himself. We know that Vybz Kartel is a lyricist and a DJ, but he's not an entertainer. That's for sure. So, going up with a European crowd like this, it will be very interesting to see who are going to help Vybz Kartel another one, yeah?
Yeah, man, people, you don't know things. So people make a play a clip, you know. You see me? With Foota Hype and, you see me? Foota Hype baby mother and a bag of thing. And I shake me that. I say, yo, look on that girl you found out and I chat a bag of thing and her pitney them. The way she talk to her pitney them and say she no care. And I say, yo, Jaja, you're worse, man. You see me? All our data them forward out and a bag of things. So I'm going to play the clip in them, you see me? Yeah, man. Mad thing.
So you can't stay where you're there. I'm not talk to you again.
You go tell your big stinking pooper. Where? You not get my money. Fuck you. You want my man mine. Where? You pop your pooper out a blood clot.
You could never call me a bitch because...
You not get my man money. You not getting it.
Go cry because that's how you do. You cry, you cry. Me with my eyes see the text when you send your father telling him to take us to panic. You is a liar because you see you were never here. You were never with us. We did there alone. Me and my two sisters, we did there alone. She was never with me. She never there with me. She leave when them are poor and me are service. She gone. She don't carry me. She don't say nothing. She don't buy no pampers. Everything my father do is for we. And you over here cloning my father and telling my father things will not help you because you leave. Not my father die yaso. Him not left, him dey yaso. You can stay where you're there. So if you say you don't want us to be your daughters, then don't come yaso and tell lies on me or my dad that my dad take care of me, not you. So you can stay where you're there. Don't talk to me. Okay? Tiana, the day I asked her for money for my graduation, what she said, no, me have